Okay. So before going to that one, so you can go to Amazon. In the Amazon, you can go to learn, and you can learn AWS training. So freely you can learn. No need to pay anything, any kind of stuff. Okay. So you can sign into AWS without giving any credit card. Just you need an email ID. That's it. Okay. So or any existing Amazon accounts, you can able to log in also, no problem. Okay. So you can easily learn. So get trained. Online training notes are available. So one by one you can go to one by one. So like explore this training. This is a cloud practitioner. The starters. Begin starts here. Okay. So cloud essential, well architecture, billing and cost management. Okay, all are freely we can able to learn. Free training is available by AWS people itself for learning AWS. Okay, just some I want info just for sharing information only. Okay. Like certain things, certain technologies by that organization only you can easily learn. For example, Microsoft docs.microsoft.com is there. So there are a lot of documents like if you want to learn PowerShell. So PowerShell related a lot of things. Maybe you want to learn about something product related one, SCCM related, or maybe Office 365, or maybe some product like Exchange servers. Lot of documents are available how to do, how to installation kind of stuff. But that is also not give you a complete set of instruction. Like if you see and you do, that is may not be possible, but it give you a guideline. So when you do, so you don't need to worry about so how to go to institute and how to join kind of stuff. Not required. Simply you can able to learn from that one also. So like this, you see. This is entirely documentation. Learning. Microsoft also providing lot of things you can able to learn easily. See, Azure we can able to learn from the Microsoft directly. Power BI, lot of things. Microsoft or maximum products we can learn from the Microsoft website only. Okay, so that's the point I want to share. That's it. Yeah, Python for loops. Okay, so for loop. Loops are while loop and for loop is there. So also we can see with the example I'm copying here. So basically you what you know what you want, it is very simple. It is go to the for loop, Python for loop. Yeah, yesterday I checked it with Madhu sir PPT also about a Python. So I will sorry yeah, about a Python. So I will share it today. Then you can go through that one also. Guys, it is a for loop. Important is for loop is like a iterator, just like a iterating over the sequence. It means one by one, one by one, one by one. For example, this is the what is this list? Okay, so this program execute like a first 1, 2, 3 like this. It go to display this one, print x. X value is apple, then banana, then cherry. So like a one by one it will go. So this is here for loop kind of stuff. Iterator. Iterate means one by one kind of stuff. For loop we can write in a different ways, and different things in the for loop also we can write it. Yeah, here it is. We have a file. You can write the for loop here also. You can put it. So here it is. I am creating a variable like a for loop directly for x in Vedicsoft. Okay. Then okay. So compulsory give the colon and print yes. Okay. Now I given a statement print x. X. Okay. So simple for loop. Simple for loop. It is a Vedicsoft. Guys, in strings also indexed. Strings also indexed. V, E, D, I, C kind of stuff. If you see, so this is I'm going to execute this one. So save and run. See it is first value of X is V, next is E, next is D, next is I, next is C, next is S, like that. So it is a iterator. It is a iterator. So here it is the condition. So till the condition completes, do the statement. Okay, that is the output. Bigger we can't able to change it, so smaller we can able to write it and change it. Okay. Otherwise you can do like this. So what I'm going to do is I will prepare a list. List 1 is equal to for example numbers. You can put a 23, 44, 1, 16, 71, 49, 52, like this. Now for A in list 1, you can say you can take any variable here, anything, no need to define earlier. Okay, so like this, range list A. Okay, so one by one list, iteration of a list. It is just for a something you can able to add it for that kind of stuff. Okay, so simple it is like this. You want to do other things like list A, like you can say equal to A, comma A multiply by 2 A into 2. So this is variety. Save, run, see. A value into multiplication value. Okay, like this you can use it. This is the basic Python for loop. Let's understand for loop, basically how for loop is works. Understand or not? For okay. Yeah. But we have a break, continue. Okay. These three things are there, so we can apply on a for. You can go to deep for kind of stuff. Lot of for we can able to write it. So what is this break and all how to apply? We can also learn. So very simple. For loop, just I have written one statement. You can go to the depth of for loop, nested for loops kind of stuff, for else kind of stuff. We can able to do it. But currently I'm not doing that one, so I'm going to directly what is a break kind of stuff. Okay. For example, same output. Okay, small change, save, execute. Can you see? A output is given. What I'm going to do is A is equal to 16. Break. Okay. What I'm going to do is I want to add a end statement, means exit statement kind of stuff, which is not belongs to for. Whether your for working or not working, we will get it. So just for fun, I'm adding the by statement here. So this is the original loop. So we'll see what happens. Save. So what happening here? It reaches 16. So when a value is 16 and break. Okay. Here two ways you can able to write this thing. So one is like this. Another one is like this. So it is when it reaches a 16, without printing 16, it will be break. It is going to be break. Okay, so in a two ways we can able to do it. Break whenever the condition satisfied. Normal iterated means it will go by one. Whenever the condition satisfied, it breaks the loop. It breaks the loop. Next one is continue. So what is this continue? We'll see same thing only. I'll put continue. Continue. So it may throw something differently. We'll see. So what has happened? Please, anybody tell me. Is it printing all the one or not? Printing everything or not? What is missing here? From this one.
16 is missing, sir.
16 is missing. Very good. What it is? Yeah, tell me. So very good. So what happened? 23, 44. When reaches 16, I said continue. Continue means don't do this one. So when it is when condition satisfied, skip this step and go to the next one only. Don't break. Okay. So this is the continue part. But we can understand only by outputs also we required. But I didn't take an output for this one. But at least I will put a output here. Okay. So just for a thing like we'll try this one. See, this is also we can able to do it. This also you can able to do it. But so not only a skipping, it do some work and continue. So when condition satisfied, instead of doing a same work, it will do other work and it come back. So that is the thing. So I given a statement, if this condition satisfied, do some other work and continue with your loop. Okay, you are out of the loop and you came back. So that is the thing. Look at this for loop, guys. Okay. It is a iterator type, right? So it will keep executing till the condition satisfied. Okay. Till the iteration completed, your for loop will do, right? So it do the statement if condition still applicable. Again, it will verify is there or not. Again, it will execute. So this is the thing. Once it is completed, it will exit from the loop. Once it is completed, exit from the loop. This is a just a for loop only. But what is the break kind of stuff? Break is also same thing, but it breaks the loop. Okay. So in a break statement, I put a sub condition. So I put a sub condition. If this condition is satisfied, break the loop. That's it. This is a break. Okay. Here it is. If this condition is okay, then it will do the some work. Next one is we put some sub condition like this. If this condition satisfied, for example, break the loop and don't continue here. Like this. This is the condition you are putting. Okay, if in case if it break the loop, it break the loop. Actually, this is the thing. It will break the loop. If condition satisfied, okay, it break the loop. If in case, same thing, continue. What is this continue? Continue is also is a loop only. Continue is also loop. So what happen if this condition satisfied? Go to some task. Okay, once this task completed, return to the your continuation. Do this task and go to iteration again. So don't stop the thing. So like this. This is the another one. I'm putting the output here for only one. Yes, last one is pass. Okay, so we'll go to continue and I will give you what is the continue. This is continue. So what is this pass? Pass actually very good one. Pass is do nothing. Okay, just pass. Run. So it is printing everything. Okay, it is not skipping anything. It's not keep skipping anything. For example, there is a statement and I'm running with it. It doing that work and continue with this one. It means it not stopping anything, just it is giving a passing. Put a statement, pass it a. Okay, so very simple, save, go to run, so pass it a. Okay, so what happened? When the condition satisfied, it do the work and continue the thing without skipping the particular iteration. Without skipping the particular iteration. Guys, this is some part of, okay, pass is some part of for loop. He given a range. So range is also one of the thing, right? So range function is there. So what is the range function? So set of the loop numbers because of range function kind of stuff is there. I will show you the range. Okay. Okay, when we are saying about a list kind of stuff, sequence type of data type. So range is also one of the sequential type of data. Okay, so how it is like this. Look at here. Range means a equal to range 5 means 0 to 4. Print a. 0 to 5 it is showing, but it is not printing anything. Okay. Okay, so 0 to 5 it is showing. So what sir it is, we are going to write a program based on that one. In a for loop itself, for a in range 5, print a, it means see 0 to 4. 0 to 5 means 0 to 4 it is printing. You want to put a 10. So what it will be print? So 0 to 9. Okay. For example, you want to put a 2. What happened? 10, 2. I'll show you that one. It is not showing that one. Why it is not only showing by? No. Okay. For example, 1 to 11 I want to display. Means 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Meaning is 1 to 10. This is 1 to 10. Okay. For example, you want to display 5 to 100. Okay. So see, starting with a 5, 6, 4, 5 up to 100 means 99. But you got 5 table. So every 5 intervals it is printing. First is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 like this. So this is the starting number, guys. This is ending number, and this is the interval. If you put a 10, if you put a 10, see 10. So 5, 5 plus 10, 15 plus 10, 25 plus 10, like that 95, it is up to 95. Okay, so every 5 plus like that, so up to 100. So in between 5 to 100 or 101, this interval is working. See, like this. These are the range kind of stuff. Range 5. Okay, you can get it. And also, if you want to write something in a table manner, for example, I want to put a 11th table. Okay, so it will display like this, right? So 11, 11, 0 to 11 is there. So what I am going to do is 1 to 11 is enough. So 1 to 10 table it is. 1 to 10 table, right? So here it is. I'm telling. So A star X into second to what will happen? See the table. So 1 into 2, 2 into 3, like this. You want a reverse if you want, you can put it like this. 2 A. Sorry, A. Second table. You want any table, you can put it. The third table. Third table. Okay. So if you forget your tables, okay, so write a Python code and generate the table and save the table also. Okay. Not only this, guys, so many things about a for loop is there. Okay. This is sequence, ranges, else we can apply for else. For else. Okay. Okay. For else is also there. So that is one more thing. So we'll see. Yeah, we can put it like this. Else. But in generally else thing is down. This is the thing, else print. Third table. The third table. Okay. So meaning is once it is completed or not satisfied, okay, then we can put a third table. Okay. Not only this thing, or you can use at a break time also. You can put it in a break time. Break means if A is equal to no. If A is percentage 2 equal to 0. Okay. Print even numbers equal to A. Okay. Print even numbers. Else print odd numbers. This time trying odd number, even number, odd number, even number, odd number, even number. 1 to 10. Okay. This is another one. So I am giving guys these things. In the last few interviews, they're asking write some program, write some program. So which one is very easy for you? Write that one only. So no need to do very hard. Like they want to check whether you learn or not. They are not want to check how much you know. They want to check you learn or not. So that's why they will ask this type of questions. Nested loops are there. These are the nested loops, for loop kind of stuff. Red, big, tasty, apple, banana, cherry, X in Y, X in this one adjacent, Y in fruits, XY like this. Okay, this one came. Okay, so this is also nested for loop, nested for loop. Okay, past statement. Past statement is, for example, you don't have any idea whether what to do next, or okay, or you want to pass the things, then also you can use the past statement. Okay, so okay, so one thing is passing we understand, but other we understand like you are writing a very big script. You're writing the script. You put a something, but the remaining statement you are going to implement. So it will take time for giving remaining statements. So what you do, if you don't give like this, what happens? So we'll see. Save it and run it. So it is throwing an error. Expected intended block for statement line 1. Okay, so this is showing error. Just I given one statement only. So it is, even though it is not, see it is showing a for loop error only. So what I'm doing is pass. What I'm doing is just I put a pass. It does not display anything. It does not display anything because there is no statement to display, but it won't throw you error. So like you are writing a very big program, and you first of all you will construct a skeleton type, right? So this is the loop you had created, this is the while loop we use it, this is the condition we put it, this is the function we have to put it, this is the where we have to call it. But every statement we don't type it in a starting day. Okay, starting only, just we create an algorithm, or maybe we create some flow chart. As for the flow chart, you put a condition, but you don't write a statement. You don't write a statement. So if in case if you don't write a statement, put a pass, so then no problem. It won't throw you any error. So that is the main way. For example, you forget and you execute the program will be failed. Guys, this is about your for loop. Anything, anybody, any doubts or anything, please tell me about for loop. Okay for you for
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
then just relax 5 minutes.